This is free fall light pump operating by manual operation through divot. Look and watch what happened to the light pump. They carried out with careful, step by step launching, because this is the requirement for every 6 months to launch the pre-fall light pump. Now what happened next? The accident occurred unexpectedly because a weak strap or lashing strap, it was broken unexpectedly. That is why the accident happened. Look and see and what. Oops! Tay, nahulog na dyan. Pwede pa ita. Yan, slow motion yan. Kitang-kita dyan. Kitang-kita dyan. Yan. Yun. Tumama sa dulo ng bakal.